Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Quincy. We're here at the beautiful Bay Point Marina. We're going to be looking at our fresh trade of the 2015 Chris-Craft Catalina 34. This boat's very well equipped. It's got the optional flag blue hull with red boot stripe. It comes powered with twin 350 horse Yamaha engines. They're also equipped with joystick. As we move into the cockpit, we got beautiful wraparound seating. Chris-Craft does an amazing job with all their texture on their vinyl. As we move forward, we have a beautiful summer kitchen with a grill, cooktop, sink, and down below you have an ice maker, a microwave, and a refrigerator. This boat also has a generator, so as you're out on the water all day, everything is going to be self-sufficient. As we move forward, we have a beautiful Garmin electronics package, flush mounted, joystick control as I mentioned before, radar, fish finder, your Yamaha engine controls. Again, 3 nice helm seats, larger hardtop. Another great feature about the 34 is you have this beautiful cabin and head all in one. Perfect for the impromptu overnight. As we move forward to the bow, you got an amazing sun lounge, wraparound seating, and hidden underneath the seat is the optional table and has the sun lounge option that fills in the front here to create a giant sun pad. So today, if you're interested in this boat or any other boat in MarineMax inventory, feel free to give myself a call. My name is Dan Thompson. My phone number is 978-375-1584. Thank you again, and